Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vāgartha Viva Sampraktau Vāgartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenakshara Samamnayam Adigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Alpaksharam Asandigdham
Alpaksharam asandigdham
Saravat Vishvato Mukham
Sarvashvato mukham
Astobham Anavadyam Cha
Astobham anavadyam cha
Sutram Sutravido Viduhu
Sutram Sutravido viduhu
Ayun
Ayun
Trilak
Trilak
Eong
Eom
Ayauj
Ayauj
Ayavarad
Hayavarat
Lan
Lan
Nyamangananam
Nyamangananam
Jabhai
Jabai
Kadadash
Khadadash
Jabagadadash
Jabagadash
Kapha Chathatha Chatato
Kappa Chatata Chatatau
Kapai
Kapai
Shashasar
Shashasar
Hal
Hal
Akuga Visarjaniyanam Kantaha
Mukha Visarjaniyanam Kantha
Ichuyashanam Talu
Yashanam Talu
Riturashanam Urdha
Rashanam Mudha
Litulasanam Dantaha
Sanam Dantaha
Upatmaniyanam Oshtau
Padmaniyanam Ashtau
Nyamanganana Nam Nasikacha
Namangananam Nasikacha
Edaitoho Kantatalu
Edaitohu
Odotoho Kanta Oshtam
Ushtam
Vakarasya Danta Oshtam
वकारस्य
वकारस्य
दन्त
दन्त
ओष्ठम्
ओष्ठम्
जिह्वा मूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका
अनुस्वारस्य
अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
रामो राजमणिः
राजमणिः
सदा
सदा
विजयते
विजयते
रामं
रामं
रमेशं
रमेशं
भजे
भजे
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता
विहता
निशाचरचमूः
निशाचरचमूः
रामाय
रामाय
तस्मै
तस्मै
नमः
नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं
परतरं
रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
मे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे
रामे
चित्तलयः
चित्तलयः
सदा
सदा
भवतु मे
भवतु मे
ओ
ओ राम
राम मामुद्धर
मामुद्धर
Okay. The last class we saw some karmani forms, karmani forms of some dhatus. And the easy way to know the forms, karmani forms. I sent you this file, word file. You can see Rikaranta dhatu, Rikaranta. Rikaranta dhatu will become Ri. Kriyate. Kru dhatu will become Kriyate. Ru will become Hriyate. If you know this, then Shanach form will be very easy. Replacing te by te by mana. Te will be replaced by mana. So you get kriya mana. Hri will be replaced by hriya mana, mariya mana. So therefore, the karmani forms of these dhatus depending on the last letter. So the last letter of the dhatu. Here this is rikaranta dhatu. Rikaranta dhatu will be replaced by ri. Similarly, then dhatus ending in r but preceded by conjunct consonant. In that case, the rikaranta dhatu, r will be replaced by ar. Smaryate. R also, dhatu will be replaced by ar. R will be replaced by ar. Doesn't preceded by conjunct consonant, but still it becomes ar. Stri will become staryate. Then dhatus ending in rukaranta dhatu. What will happen? Rukaranta dhatu. It will be replaced by ear. Rukara of the dhatu, which is the anta of the dhatu, will be replaced by ear. So stru will become tru. Tru will become tiryate. Stru will become stiryate. Kru dhatu become kiryate. Recently saw the declension of this dhatu. Kru dhatu. Juru become jiryate. Juru vayohanu. The chara and all this word come from this dhatu. Then the dhatus ending with rikara. All these are rikaranta dhatus. You can note the difference. First one is just rikara ending. Second one preceded by the conjunct consonant. Third one rikaranta dhatu replaced by ear. Fourth one rikaranta dhatu, which is preceded by oshtya letter. Oshtya, which is pavarga letter, or it could be any semi-vowel, pakara. So what happens in that case? The rikara, which is the anta of the dhatu, will be replaced by ur. So pur dhatu will become puryate. Bru becomes uryate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 are rikaranta dhatus. Dhatu ending with short e or u. The simple one. If it is e, it will be replaced by e, the dirgha e. U will be replaced by dirgha u. So chi becomes chiyate. Chi is fifth gana dhatu. G becomes jiyate. Kshi kshiyate iti. Similarly, ukaranta dhatu. U becomes u. Stu becomes tuyate. Shru. Shru, the last class we saw this word. Shru dhatu. It came this word. Shruyate ke. Ukaranta dhatu. Ukaranta dhatu replaced by u. Shruyate. Suyate and all. Then akaranta dhatu. Akaranta dhatu, there are two types. These are important, some important dhatus that will be replaced by e. Dadha, bha, masta, kha and all. Because there is a sutra, this is a sutra. Ghu, masta, ga, pa, jahati. Only these specific dhatus, whatever is listed here. These dhatus only will become, will change the form. E becomes, da becomes d, dha becomes d, bha becomes b. Only these dhatus, these specific akaranta dhatus. So da becomes diyate, dha diyate, bha biyate, ma miyate. Ma is important dhatu. Pramanam all comes from this dhatu. Ma, to measure, miyate. Nyayate also. The meaning wise I'm saying. Then the dhatu gai and so. So ejanta dhatu. This is some examples. Gai is I. So is o. Okara. So ejanta dhatu also will be replaced by e. Ejanta dhatus also will be replaced by e. First h will become H letter A, O, I, O. First it will become A. After that it will become E. Like this example, Gai becomes Ga. Becomes Ga. Then now it is Akaranta dhatu. So Ga becomes Gi. So H anta dhatu. H anta means ending with H letter. A, I, O, O. The first it will become that I will be replaced by A, I, or A, or O, or O, whatever may be. That H letter will be replaced by A, and then that Akara, A will be replaced by E. So you get E, Kiyate. Gai becomes Giyate. So becomes finally Siyate. After becoming Sa, it becomes Siyate. So the previous one, specific dhatus, and this number 7, Ejanta dhatu becoming E, Ikara, Ikaranta. First Akaranta becomes Akaranta. It is replaced by A, Akaranta dhatu, then becomes E. But A is replaced by E. Then other dhatus which end with A. Other dhatu listed in the number 6 and 7. Other dhatus which are specifically listed in the number 6. And these dhatus, Ejanta dhatu, other than that, all the other dhatus, there nothing happens. Ya becomes Nyayate. Ya becomes Yayate. Glai becomes Glagate. Okay. Ya and Ya, this is Yayate. Glai is, this is Ejanta dhatu. So Glai becomes Gla. Glai becomes Gla and then Glagate. It doesn't become Gliyate. These are some exception. Mlai becomes Mla and then Mlagate, not Mliyate. Dhyai becomes Dhya and then Dhyayate. These are some exceptions. Then These dhatus, vach, vad, vas, vap and swap. These dhatus and some more dhatus that we will see when the context come. These dhatus, here these vakara of the dhatus, you can see vakara, vach, vakara is there, vad, vakara, vas, vakara is there. So these dhatus plus the kit pratyaya. What happens is vakara is replaced by corresponding ik letter, which is u. We saw samprasaranam. I think I would have mentioned the word samprasaranam. Have you heard samprasaranam?
Yes,
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, sir.
What is samprasaranam?
So reverse of N Santi.
yeah, N will be replaced
N
by
will
ik
be
letter.
ik letter.
In N Sandhi, ik letter, ik is the adesha, ik is the stani, N is the adesha. In samprasaranam, the opposite. N is the stani, ik is the adesha. So N letter will be replaced by corresponding ik letter. Suppose if yakara is there, it will be replaced by ikara. Vakara will be replaced by ukara. And if it repa is there, it will be replaced by rikara. It's called samprastham, reversal. So here vakara is there. So vakara is replaced by ukara. So when does it happen? When it is followed by a kit pratyaya, it happens. Kit or ngit pratyaya. So our context, it is kit pratyaya because yak is a kit pratyaya. So what happens? Vach dhatu, vach plus yak plus te. So va will be replaced, vakara will be replaced by u. Therefore you get uchyate. The form is uchyate. Uchyate means is told. Similarly, vad plus yak plus te. Vakara will be replaced by ukara. So udyate. Then vas plus yak plus te. Vakara will be replaced by u. And the sakara also becomes murdanya shakara. This is shatvam number 2. This shakara is what was here is sakara. Sakara preceded by the in letter. Therefore, it becomes murdanya shakara. You can note this, important. So it becomes ushyate. Here, one extra information, this sakara is not the adesha sakara or pratyaya sakara. If you remember Shattam number 2, that we talk about the sakara, padanta, adesha, pratyaya sakara preceded by in or ku will be replaced by murdanya shakara, we saw. But here this is not an adesha sakara or pratyaya sakara. This is the sakara as an avayava of the dhatu. But still the sakara will be replaced by murdanya shakara. There's a specific rule is there. So therefore the dhatu, the sakara of this dhatu preceded by in or ku will be replaced by murdanya shakara. That is why it happens. Ushyate. Then vap dhatu. Vap means to vapati, to sow. So vakara will be replaced by ukara upyate. Swap becomes supyate. This is called samprasaranam. Similarly, some more samprasaranam, that is yaj vyad. Yaj dhatu, vyad dhatu. Here yakara is there. Yakara will be replaced by ikara. So yaj plus yak plus te. Yakara replaced by ij. Yakara replaced by e. Therefore, ij plus ya plus te becomes ijjate. And vyad dhatu. Vyad dhatu, here you can see 2 n letters are there. Vakara also is there, yakara also is there. So if that is the case, the first n letter only will be replaced. Second n letter will remain as it is. Second n means in this direction towards left. What I mean by the first n letter is the yakara is the first one. The preceding vakara is the second n. First letter, which is yakara, that is the first letter, first n letter, which undergoes samprasaranam. So yakara will be replaced by e. So e is there, and vakara remains as it is. So it becomes v. Vidyate. So vyad becomes vidyate. Previously, in this example, in this number 9, we saw vakara replaced by ukara, that is samprasaranam. Number 10, here, dhatus where yakara is an avayava of the dhatu, the yakara replaced by e. This is also samprasaranam. Then, number 11 also samprasaranam, where you will see repa, becoming rikara, samprasaranam. So again, separately, 9, 10, 11 is samprasaranam only. Grah dhatu. Grah dhatu, here you have to spot the repa is there. Kakara plus repa plus a. So repa is there. So grah dhatu, similarly prach dhatu. Pra is, repa is there. So what will happen to that repa? The repa will be replaced by grah dhatu, gra. That repa will be replaced by rikara. So it becomes gru, gruk. Gruk plus yak plus te becomes gruhyate. Similarly, prach becomes prichyate. Repa replaced by rikara, prichyate. So these are the examples for samprasaranam. Samprasaranam happens when these dhatus, the specified dhatus, are followed by kit pratyaya. Yak being ardha dhatuka, kit pratyaya, therefore samprasaranam happens. Samprasaranam is reversal of yan sandhi. But samprasaranam is not a sandhi. Reversal of yan is called samprasaranam. Then these dhatus, shvi, hve, shvi, and ve. Yes, these are all exception. You need to note that. Shvi, what will happen to shvi? Shvi, here also this, it is replaced by, vakara is replaced by, but it is something else happens here. So shvi becomes shu, shuyate. Hve becomes huyate. You can note this. For specific dhatu, shvi and hve. You can see vakara is replaced by ukara. It is replaced by dirgha ukara. Ukara. So shuyate, huyate. Okay, then the next one, churadi gana dhatu, that is 10th gana dhatu. What happens? Chori is a dhatu, chori plus yak plus te. So yak is the ardha dhatu ka pratyaya, which cannot take it. Therefore, anit follows the nijanta. Nich anta, the chori is nijanta. So the ni goes away. Ni means e goes away. Therefore, chor plus ya plus te, choryate, you get. So in 10th gana, you will find this, that e goes away. That e means ni. That e, which is born, which is because of the nich ni, that goes away when followed by the anit pratyaya. Yak is adadhataka. Adadhataka takes itagama if it is val, valadi. If it begins with val pratyaya. Yakara being not a val, therefore it doesn't take itagama. Therefore we say aniti when anit follows. Nehe referring to that e, that ni. That is, nehe referring to ni. Ni means that e becomes lopaha. So you get tadyate, ganyate iti. Then some dhatus which do not change. Ish, ishyate, manyate. Manyate, fourth gana dhatu. Cannot fourth gana dhatu. Its kartari and karmani form will be same. Bhuyate, gamyate, vidyate, and all.
Excuse
so-
me, Ji. That gum or no? Yeah, boo dhatu. Why does it become gani and some is
it's a copy paste. Okay. Then these are exceptions. Exception, just note the exception. Why it becomes not required. Shas become shishyate. You need to know more to understand why it becomes. Shas means to teach. Anushishtau becomes shishyate. She shayate. Tan tanyate artayate. Jan jayate. Hr haryate. Then exception number 2. As dhatu, asti, will come from this dhatu. As will become bu. This is not typo. This is how it is. As dhatu will be replaced by bu. So you get buyate. For bu dhatu also the form is buyate. As dhatu also buyate only. These are some dhatus which change their form. As will be replaced by bu. When ard dhatuka pratyaya follows, these dhatus will be replaced by other forms. So here as is a dhatu which is replaced by bu. Bu is the adesha in the place of as dhatu. So therefore you get buyate. That much is enough. That is similarly bru. Bru dhatu will be replaced by vach when followed by the adadhatuka pratyaya. Yak is adadhatuka follows. Therefore vach plus yak plus te. Vach will undergo saṃskṛtam. Vakara will be replaced by u. Therefore you get uchyate. Similarly, the next one, chaksh dhatu, will be replaced by kya. Chaksh means to tell. When an ardhadhatuka pratyaya follows, chaksh will be replaced by kya. Now it becomes khyayate. Okay, then ghas dhatu will be replaced by ad. Ghas replaced by ad, you get adyate. If you can remember these forms, then karmani is simple. I have this chart, this sheet by side of you. When a dhatu comes, you find out where it fits in and make the changes. Now this exception number 3, anunasika upada is dropped in karmani. If upada is anunasika, that is dropped. For example, anch, that na is there, that is dropped. So you get achyate. Bhanj, that na is dropped, you get bhajyate. Similarly, ranch becomes rajyate. Svanch, swajyate, and all. Granth, gratyate, mantyate, iti. All these are some examples. Okay. Damsh, here, anuswara is, that is dropped in karmani, becomes dashyate. Stambh, that makara, upada anuswara is dropped, you get stabhyate. Bramsh becomes brashyate, iti. These are some examples. Okay. This already I sent you, you would have gone through this sheet. So if you remember this, then any karmani form you can do. We will do some karmani sentences. Then when we use this again and again, it will become familiar. It takes some time to become familiar. I will show you now something, some forms, you can see that. This chart you keep it with you, and this dhatus you have with you. You can see dhatavaha, and yak is a pratyaya. Yak is just a vikarana pratyaya. It's not a gana vikarana pratyaya, not corresponding to any gana. Yak. All the dhatus will take only yak. Okay. So vak plus yak plus te. What happens here? Akara becomes, what do you call that?
Saṃskṛtam.
Saṃprasanam.
Saṃskṛtam.
Vak means to bring, to carry. That becomes Uhyate. Right? Then Vad becomes Udyate. Vap becomes Upyate. Yaj, Ijyate. Swap, Supyate. Venj, Dhatu. Ve is Saṃskṛtam happens. The Ve is replaced by U. I gave that as the exception. Becomes Uyate. The content of the dhatu is Ve. Nga is the letter. So you get Uyate. Similarly, Ve. Here two letters are there, N letters. One is Vakara, other is Yakara. The first letter, that is Yakara, that undergoes Saṃskṛtam, and Vakara remains as it is. So you get Viyate. Then Hve, this we saw. Hve will be replaced by, first it is becomes Hu, Saṃskṛtam, and then later becomes Hu. That is what he gives here. Here also, that Ve, at first it undergoes Saṃskṛtam, U, and then replaced by U. Therefore, you get Uyate. Those are exceptions. Huyate. Then Shvi, here also, Akara will become U, Shu, then Ukara becomes U, Shuyate. So you can note these dhatus are exceptions which I have already covered in the sheet, the word file. Then Jya dhatu, Akaranta dhatu, which is, and this is Akaranta dhatu, A will become E. We saw that. A will become E. But here this Yakara also will undergo Saṃskṛtam. So first it becomes G, and then later it becomes G. So you get Jyate. So you can know the forms. Jya. Grah becomes Grigyate, Saṃskṛtam. Vyad becomes Vidyate. Vash, again Saṃskṛtam. Ushyate. Vyaj. Here becomes, Ekara becomes Ikara. Therefore you get Vijyate. Vichyate. Here it is Jakara also becoming Chakara. Vichyate. Vichyate, or it must be Vijyate. Let us see. Jakara becoming Vichyate. It is okay. Let me check the form later whether it is Vichyate or Vijyate. Then Vrasth dhatu. Vrasth dhatu. Again, it is undergoes Saṃskṛtam. It becomes Vrishth. Then you get Vrishchyate. Prach dhatu. Prichyate. Brasth dhatu. Brasth dhatu. That bra, the repa is there. That becomes R. So you get Br. And the Sakara becomes Jakara. Okay, that is some rule. We will don't bother about the rule. The form becomes bridge. So you get Bridgyate. And Vach becomes Uchyate. Most of the forms, by applying the general rule, there are some specific form where some extra rules are involved. That is not required now. First becomes Ushyate. Okay, I will send you this file. You can go through this. All the dhatus whose important dhatus. It covers almost all whose Karmani form is given. These are the examples. Suppose Unda dhatu. All these are not important dhatus, but just given to show you the form. This preceding Upadanasika is goes away. That we saw already. We covered in that exam. The word file. The Nakara goes away. You get Udyate. Similarly, Bund becomes Buddhyate. Okay. You've got a long list of dhatus. I'll send you this. You can just go through that. These are some important points. The passive voice is formed from the verbal root, not from the verbal base. The passive voice form is from the verbal root, not from the verbal base. Passive voice conjugated like Atmanipadi of the fourth conjugation. Ya is added to the root. No guna ruddhi happens because it is, we know it is a kit pratyaya. And yakara becomes, the ya becomes ya before the terminations vakara and makara, but we know. Patami, patavaka, and all those examples we have seen. Yakara becoming ya. And yakara ya becomes yakara before the terminations and ye. Okay. Before the terminations becomes this not required. You can leave this part because already we have seen this. Some extra rules may be there which we have not seen. Only the dhatus alone is important that you have a look at these dhatus. Now, if you know this karmani form, then shanach will be easy. Replace te by mana, you get the form. If it is 1, 4, 6, 10, we saw that, I mean, in karmani, in kartari shanach we saw 1, 4, 6, 10 replaced by mana, and other than 1, 4, 6, 10 will be replaced by ana. Whereas in karmani, since it is going to be yakara is it, therefore invariably it will be mana. Mukkakama will come, so you get mana. So therefore, the dhatus here, you can, that te, the form of the dhatu, te you can replace by mana, you get the shanach form. Karmani shanach. So diyate becomes diyamana, miyate becomes miyamana. Now we can do karmani. If the dhatus forms are, karmani forms of the dhatus are not known, then we can refer this chart. Okay. Karmani shanach. Karmanaha visheshanam. We will see this. Now, Ramaji, please read.
Yes, Karmani shanach karmanaha visheshanam. Vayam kartari prayogam karmani prayogam cha janimaha. Kartari prayoge kartuhu kriyapadasya karmani prayoge karmanaha kriyapadasya cha sambandhaha bhavati iti api janimaha.
Understand?
Yeah. In kartari, karta is that is abhihitam, and here karma is abhihitam. Karmani.
Yes.
Yeah. Yatha.
Sambandha is uses. Sambandha means connected. That is abhihitam. Yeah.
Yatha Ramaha pustakam patati. This is kartari prayogaha. Ramaha patati iti anayoho sambandhaha.
Yes. Between Rama and Patati they connect. There is sambandha.
Ramena pustakam patyate karmani prayogaha. Pustakam patyate iti anayoho sambandhaha.
So patati, the first sentence patati denotes karta Ramaha. Second sentence patyate denotes the karma, which is the pustakam. Karta is not abhigitam. It is anabhigita karta, taking tritiya vibhakti. Abhigita karma, pratama vibhakti. That is called karmani prayoga. In kartari, karta is abhigitam, karma is anabhigitam. Abhigita karta or anabhigita karma. It means kartari prayoga. This you need to remember. Continue.
Evam eva kartari shatru shanajantayoho sambandhaha sadapi kartrapadena eva bhavati. So in kartari shatru shanaj,
In kartari shanaj, what is abhigita by the
karta?
What is abhigitam is karta. Yes.
Karmani shanajantasya sambandhaha tu karmapadena bhavati. In karmani shanaj, karma is the abhihita.
Yes.
Tannama kartri shatru shanajantam kartri padasya visheshanam bhavati.
Yes. So Kartru, Shanaj, Shatra Shanaj, Antam, Kartru Padasya, where in Kartri Prayoga, Shatranta or Shanachanta, Shatru, that is Parasmipadi Dhatu taking Shatru Pratyaya, Atmanepadi Dhatu taking Shanaj Pratyaya will be Visheshana adjective to Karta in Kartri Prayoga. What about in Karmani Prayoga?
In Karmani Shanajantam tu Karmanaga Visheshanam Bhavati.
Karmani, only Shanaj Pratyaya can be added. Like the Dhatu can take only Atmanepadi Dhatus in Karmani. Similarly, for the participle in Karmani, it can take only Shanaj Pratyaya. Therefore, it becomes a Visheshana, the adjective to Karma. Yatha.
Yatha Ramaha Vidyalayam Gacchati. Gachan Vidyalayam Gachan Ramaha. Shatra.
Yes.
Then Ramena Vidyalayaha Gamyate. Gamyamanaha Shanaj. Ramena Gamyamanaha Vidyalayaha.
So you can see the difference between the two. The first one, Karta, is Abhigitam. That is very Gachan Ramaha. The Rama who goes to the Vidyalaya. The second one, the Vidyalaya which is gone by Rama. So Vidyalaya is Abhigitam. So the meaning is different. The emphasis is different. Second sentence, karma is emphasized. Karmani prayoga. Vidyalayaha gamyate. That is, Vidyalaya is gone. Going to the Vidyalaya is done by Rama. So Ramena remains as it is. When you do the Shanaj, Gamyamana will be the qualifier to Vidyalaya. Gamyamana will be the qualifier. Because Karta is not Abhigita. So Karta remains as it is. So Vidyalaya, which is a karma, that is qualified by the Shanaj form, Gamyamanaha. The same way you need to do the following sentences. Please do.
अधो निर्दिष्टेषु वाक्येषु क्रियापदस्थाने शत्रन्तं शानजन्तं वा यथा योग्यं लिखित्वा कर्तुः कर्मणः वा विशेषणं च कृत्वा वाक्यानि
Punarlikata.
पुनर्लिखत.
You have to the following sentences. So in the place of Kriyapada, you have to add the Shatru Shanaj according to what the Dhatu is. And if the Kartuhu Karmana is its form, it is Vishesha. What it is adjective to the Karta or Karma. Depending on that, you have to add it to the substantive and you have to rewrite the sentence. Yatha, Udaharanam.
Ramaha palam khadati. Here, palam khadan Ramaha.
Yes.
Kartari. So Ramena palam khadyate. It is karmani. So Ramena kadyamanam palam. Karma is abhihitam. So kadyamanam palam.
Karma is abhigitam, karma is palam, palam is napumsakalinga, therefore kadyamana, once you derive, kadyamana is that kadyate, kadyamana. So it becomes kadyamanam. So here in this exercise you will find some karmani kriya pada. Very interesting. So you can slowly develop that karmani forms of the kriya pada. Okay, the next one, continue.
Madhavaha kshiram pibati. Kshiram piban Madhavaha.
Yes.
Here, Madhavena kshiram piyate. Madhavena piyamanam kshiram.
Kshiram. So padatu piyate. Okay. Pa means to bring. If it is pa mean to protect, there it becomes payate only. Okay, not piyate. Suppose pa means to protect, that becomes payate only. Here in the sense of drinking, therefore piyate. Maybe this is additional information. We will see that later. Next one, continue.
Shankaraha katham likhati. So here, katham likhan Shankaraha. Then here Shankarena katha likyate. Shankarena likyamana katha.
Yes. Likyamana katha. Next person, Sumatiji, you can read.
Yeah. Sevakah karyam karoti. So, karyam kurvan sevakah.
Asti. You can say asti.
Asti. Okay. Then sevakena karyam kriyate. So, in Karmani Prayoga, it will be sevakena kriyamanam karyam. Karyam is nabumsakalika, so it will become kriyamanam.
So, kru dhatu. Dhatu is kru dhatu, karoti, kriyate. Kru is replaced by ir. Kriyate. Then previous one, lik dhatu, nothing happens, likyate. And that previous one, pa dhatu. Pib is, dhatu is pa dhatu. In latlakara, it is pa becomes pib, pibati. And karmani, akara and the dhatu, pa dhatu. Please check the chart, word file. You will see pa is replaced by e. Very specific, it is given. There's list of dhatus in the beginning, it's given. Those dhatus you can see.
Yeah, da becomes the S change.
Pa becomes piyate. Where is that? It is, I think they've gone before.
Sixth one, I think.
Yeah, this is the one actually, yeah. Here the pa is missing here. Anyway.
Yeah, but da becomes the yate like that.
Yeah. Here the gu stands for these dhatus, these two dhatus. Gu. Ma is ma dhatu, sta dhatu, ga dhatu. Here pa is there. You have to see pa. Example is missing there. I think here I missed it. So it becomes piyate. Okay. So you can add that. I will add it later. So pa becomes piyate. Then please continue the next one.
Rakshakah choram gritnati. That in Kartri Prayoga, it will be choram grikhena rakshakah.
No. Grinnati is you are doing Shatranta, right?
Yeah, grignati. So grikhan, I'm sorry.
Grinnan.
Grignan arakshakah asti.
Choran grinnan arakshaka asti. I hope you remember grinnati. How you get grinnan?
Yeah.
How do you get grinnan?
First, you have to get the pratipadikam. So it will be grignati. It will be 1 minute, Sharji. You have to get. It is which gana? It is not.
It is ninth gana. Na is no five.
Yeah, no 5, na 9. Yeah. So it will be. You have to get it as grignant. Grignant.
So this, remember this, we said this, you have to take the Bhagavachanam. Grinnati, grinnitaha, grinnanti. That's what we said, right?
Yeah.
Those belonging to the other ganas, other than 1, 4, 6, 10. Take the Bhagavachanam, grinnanti. Ti, you remove it.
Remove it, you get grinnant.
Grinnan, that is Pratama Vibhakti
Ekavachanam.
From that you can make out the Pratipadikam, which is grinnat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is easy way to remember, but you need to know the steps. Yes. You need to know the steps. Where is Bhagavachanam? Where it is Vivachanam? Vivachanam we saw. In which case we saw the Vivachanam?
That is for the Karmani. Shanach. Okay.
Shanach we saw. Examples we saw Shanach. Shete, Shayate. Shayate. Te is replaced by?
Yeah.
Ana, Shayana.
Shayana.
All these are only hint or easy way to remember, but you need to remember this. That's only abhyasa. As Kameshwarji asked last class, lot of information. Yes, lot of information because we are learning more. So you need to remember this. That is why repeated abhyasa is required. Then only it will stay. Okay. Please do.
So in Karmani Prayoga, it will be Arakshakena Choraha Grigyate. So here it will be Arakshakena Grigyamanaha Choraha.
Yes. What is a dhatu?
It's a grin.
Not a grin. It is, you can see, dhatu is grah dhatu, undergoing samprasarana. Okay.
Oh, grak. Repa becomes
Therefore, what could be the dhatu? Repa has become gr. So what could be the dhatu now? You can guess.
Grak one.
Grah dhatu.
Yeah.
We saw that also in the chat.
And the chat.
So grah becomes, in the samprasaranam section, you can see, here this is grah and prich. Grah becomes grugyate, prach becomes prichyate. Prach dhatu. Okay.
Yeah.
Then continuing, the next person now, Ganeshji, 5 and 6.
Aham vartam shrunomi. So here vartam, here first gana, shrunomi becomes shrunvan. So vartam shrunvan aham.
Okay.
So it comes from shrunvanti. Shrunvati,
Yes.
shrunvataha, shrunvanti.
Good. Yes.
Shrunvan.
Which gana? First gana.
First gana looks like fifth, but it's first gana.
Yes. Looks like it, but it is first gana. You're right. Okay.
And maya varta shuyate. So shuyate becomes shuyamana. So maya shuyamana varta asti.
Maya shruyamana varta. Shru dhatu, just now we saw, shru dhatu is, which is ukara becomes ukara. The u of the dhatu becoming ukara. In this
Like
beginning itself is
shuyate.
this is the one. Ukara of the dhatu, ukaranta dhatu, ukara of the ukaranta dhatu will be replaced by u, dirgha ukara. Shruyate and all. Okay. Then the next one. Please continue. Gita.
Gita shlokam smarati. So shlokam smaran Gita.
Yes.
Then Gitaya shlokaha smaryate. So Gitaya smaryamana shlokaha.
Smaryamana shlokaha. What is dhatu?
Smridhatu.
Smridhatu. What will happen to ru?
Ru becomes ra. Ri.
No, ru becomes ar. Because rikaranta dhatu preceded by the conjunct consonant. This is what we saw in the beginning.
Exception. That is two.
Rikaranta dhatu preceded by the conjunct consonant. These are example. Dhatus ending in rikara preceded by conjunct will be replaced by ar. Rikara will be replaced by ar. Therefore, it gets smaryate. The same example is there. Smaryate.
First one.
Okay. The next person now. Krishna.
Excuse me, Ji. Here, the Gita is Strilinga, right? So, won't it be Smaranti? Shlokam Smaranti Gita. Won't it be like that?
Gita shlokam. Gita is, okay. Yeah, you're right. It's not Smaran. Gita is the Strilinga. Ganeshji.
Can be a name of a person, isn't it? Gita.
Yeah, name of the person is Strilinga.
Yes.
Gita, the name of the woman, right? Gita. Therefore, it must be Smaranti Gita.
Right.
Shlokam Smaranti Gita. Gita cannot be masculine name, right?
It's not Smaran, it's Smaranti.
It's right. Yes, Smaranti. So Smaranti is Smridhatu. Which gana is that? First gana. Therefore, Smaranti, only one form. Of course, if it is sixth gana, it will have two forms. But anyway, this is first gana. Smaranti Shlokam Gita. Yes. Right.
Sharad, one question.
Yes.
Will it not be Shlokam Smarati, so it will be a Napumsakling? Instead of Striling Gita Smaranti, it is the Shlokam which is being remembered.
This is Kartri Prayoga, Sharanji.
Yeah. Anybody can answer. Please answer.
This is Kartri Prayoga, so you have to follow Gita only, the subject.
No, his question is.
Visheshana. It comes as Visheshana, so it describes Gita only.
Kriya Padam. What is Abhigitam by the Kriya Padam? Karta is Abhigitam, not Karma. Shloka is Karma. Gita is Karta. The Kriya Padam Smaranti indicates, or it is having connection, direct connection to Gita. If Gita changes to Bhagavachanam, suppose there are many Gitas, Gitaha Smaranti. Gitaha Smaranti, Gite Smartaha, depending on the change of the Vachanam of the Karta, Kriya Padam changes. That is called, that's why I said I use the word Abhigitam. It doesn't depend on the change of the Vachanam of the Karma. Gita Shlokam Smarati, right? Gita Shlokau Smarati, Gita Shlokan Smarati only. Smarati will remain same.
Okay.
It is not connected to Karma. Karma is Anabhigita in Kartari Prayoga. Therefore, Smarati, when you convert that into Shatranta, it should be in keeping with the Karta only. Therefore, Smaranti Gita Shlokam Asti. Shlokam will remain as it is. Answer is, it is not Abhigita because it being Karma. That is the answer. Clear?
Yeah, thank you.
Others, you also have to answer like this. What is Abhigitam you have to say? His question is confusion with regard to Shlokam is Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Smaranti will change. It has no connection, no sambandha. That is what it is. Right? Next person, Krishnanji.
Saṃskṛtam Batch I II. Dadat.
No, first you do. Why Taya? Saṃskṛtam Dadati, first you have to
sorry.
done.
Yeah. Saṃskṛtam Dadati. Sri Lanka.
Saṃskṛtam, okay.
Dadati.
Yes. Dadati.
Dirgha.
Dadati. Yeah. Which gana is Dadatu?
Third gana.
It is third gana. Jugotyadi gana. Dhatu is Dadatu. What will happen to Dadatu? Becomes Dadat. The form is Dadat.
Like,
Da plus Shat. Da plus Shatrabis becomes Dadat.
Plus Nip.
Plus Ni Pratyaya, you get Dadati. Right?
Dadati.
I'm sorry, Dadati, not Dadati. Dadati becomes Dadati. So Dadat plus E becomes Dadati. Second Gana Dhatu. So second Gana, we have to see, it is not the, it is, okay. Pratipadikam is Dadati. What will happen if it is, not second, sorry, this is third Gana, Dadati. What will happen if it is, we have seen already, why it is doesn't take Numagama?
The
Third Gana and the seven dhatus of the second Gana will
won't
not
take
take
Numagama.
Numagama. Therefore, Dadati. Therefore, Dadati, there is no Numagama in the Pratipadikam. So, okay. The next, Taya Grantaha Diyate. Here it is.
Taya Grantha Diyate. Taya Grantha Diyamanaha.
Diyamanaha. Taya Diyamanaha Grantaha Asti. That's all. Akaranta will be replaced by A will be replaced by E. You can refer the chart. Just now we saw that. Okay, next one.
Yeshaha Katam Vadati. Yeshaha Katam. Okay, Vadan. Yeshaha Katam Vadan.
Vadan. You have to see only Yeshaha Vadan. Vadan Yeshaha Katam Asti. Katam Vadan Yeshaha Asti.
Asti. It is vach dhatu, right?
This is not vach dhatu, vad dhatu.
Oh, vad. Okay. Yetena kata uchyate. So yetena kata strilingam.
Simple.
Kata.
Uchyate. What is uchyate? What is told? Kata uchyate.
Kata uchyate.
Kata what linga?
Strilinga.
Uchyate will become, Shanach form will be
Uchyamana.
Uchyamana. Etena uchyamana kata.
Uchyamana. Okay.
Vad dhatu undergoing samprasarana. We know that. Makara will be replaced by U. Therefore, udyate it must be. Okay, that's why you're asking. Okay. It must be udyate.
Okay.
Yes, giving uchyate. You can make it as udyate. Vad becomes udyate.
Okay. So
Or
udyamana.
you can take the dhatu as vachati or uchyate. Anyway, you can take it. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe a typo. Okay. Uchyate is giving. It's okay. But both meaning the same. Whether it is vachati or vadati, meaning same.
Okay.
So uchyate is a uchyamana. Next person, Kameshwariji.
Mahila shatikam krinati. Shatikam krinati or krinati? Krinati mahila. Krinati mahila.
Ninth gana. What will happen ninth gana?
So no numagama.
Numagama.
Krinanti. Krinanti, from that we can
think and tell.
Yeah.
Krinati is there.
Yeah. E will come. E will come. So
Krinati, krinitaha, krinanti. Bhagavachanam we have to take. Okay.
yeah.
Krinanti is, listen, krinanti. T you remove it, krinan. Krinan is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Pullinga. So Pratipadikam will be Krinat. So Krinat is the Pratipadikam. Krinat, you have to convert the Krinat to Strilinga by adding E Pratyaya, which is E. So Krinat plus E. Now the question is whether it will take Numagama or not.
No, it won't take.
Why?
It's because it belongs to ninth Gana.
When it will not take Numagama? 1, 4, 6, 10.
10.
1, 4, 10 will take Numagama. So Pratipadika, Strilinga Pratipadikam will have Numagama. Sixth Gana will have two forms.
Optional two forms.
Other Ganas no Numagama. That's all. Right?
Yeah.
So therefore Krinati only. There is no Krinanti. How do you identify the Pratipadikam? That's what I'm saying. Krinati is there. Know the Latlakara, Pratama Purusha, Bhagavachana form. Krinati, Krinitaha, Krinanti. Those forms we are already familiar. We have seen the same dhatu before. So Krinanti. T you remove it. You get Krinan. Krinan is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam in Pullinga. Like Patan, Patantau, Patantaha. You can remember that. Krinan, Krinanto, Krinantaha. From that you can infer the Pratipadikam. Krinat. Krinat plus, now you have to convert that Pullinga Pratipadikam to Strilinga by adding the Pratyaya E. Therefore, Krinati. You get Numagama or not, that you know it. 1, 4, 6, 10 only will get Numagama. Other Gana will, Dhatu will not take Numagama. Therefore, Krinati Pratipadikam. You need to remember this. Can all of you follow that how to derive the Pratipadikam from the Kriyapadam? How to not derive, how to infer. That step you need to know. See, for Shatranta, you remember this. Any Kriyapadam is given, whichever Gana it belongs to, doesn't matter. Find out the Pratama, Latlakara, Pratama Purusha, Bhagavachanam. To take the very simple example, Patadatu you take. Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Right? Bhagavachanam is Patanti. T, you remove it. What you have? Patan. Patan is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of the Pratipadika Patat. right? From patan, you can guess the pratipadikam must be patat. Patat is the pratipadikam, pulling a pratipadikam. Once you get patat, now we can convert this into strilinga by adding the pratyaya e. So patat plus e becomes patanti, because first gana it will take numagama, therefore patanti, not patati, patanti. First gana, fourth gana, 10th gana must take numagama in strilinga. 6th gana optional, therefore two forms. Other gana, no numagama. Strilinga is very simple, really. This is what Shatranta of strilinga is. Already we have done so many practice exercise we have done. Remember this. So therefore, Krinati, Shatikam, Krinati, Mahila, Asti. Okay. What is the dhatu?
Kri.
Kri dhatu. What will happen to Kri dhatu? Nothing happens. Kri plus Yak plus Te. This is not specified in the chart, in the file, the word file. When it is not specified, don't worry, just simply add the Yak pratyaya and the Tip pratyaya, you get the form. Kri plus Yak plus Te, Kriyate. Like Bu plus Yak plus Te, Buyate. In Karmani, Mahilaya Shatika Kriyate. Nothing happens. Just adding. Okay.
Okay.
Now Karmani will be
Mahilaya Shatika Kriyate. So Mahilaya Kriyamana Shatika. Shatika is Strilinga, so Kriyamana.
yes. Next one.
Next is Krishikaha Gramam Gachati. Gramam Gachan Krishikaha. Then Krishikena Gramaha Gamyate. Krishikena Gamyamanaha Gramaha.
Yes. Next two are the, you can do it.
Okay. Chatraha Patam Patati. So Patam Patan Chatraha. Chatrena Pataha Patyate. Chatrena Patyamanaha Pataha. Next, Balakaha Chitram Pashyati. Chitram Pashyan Balakaha.
What is the dhatu?
Drish Dhatu, Pash, for the
Remember that.
Drish.
Yes.
Balakena Chitram Drishyate. Balakena Chitram is Napumsaka. So, Drish. No, it is Vidya Vibhakti we have to take. Or
Why Vidya
no,
Vibhakti?
no. Prathama Vibhakti only. Yeah. This is Karmani. So, Drishyamanam. So, Balakena Drishyamanam Chitram. Because
Yes.
it is Napumsakalingam. And most of the dhatus we follow, like when we added Twa Pratyaya, right? Same rules, right? For most of them.
Twa pratyaya. Why Twa pratyaya? Okay. Kit pratyaya is saying.
Kit,
Why it is same?
like Patitwa, like that we added, no? Like Prich Dhatu. So
It is not same. If it is
same.
Twa pratyaya, you will get Itagama. But here,
Oh,
Yak pratyaya will
Itagama.
never get Itagama. Because it is not Valadi.
See, Vach, Vad and all we changed.
Samprasaranam, yes. Kit pratyaya, the kittum is common, therefore samprasaranam happens. Samprasaranam is a common change.
Okay.
Because when a kit pratyaya follows, we say, when a kit pratyaya follows some dhatus, like vach dhatu, sut dhatu, kraf dhatu, all these dhatu will undergo samprasaranam. When a kit pratyaya follows, whether it yak or twa pratyaya, doesn't matter. It will happen. But there's a difference between these two pratyaya. Twa will take itagama because it is valadi.
Yeah.
And yak is not valadi. Now, next one. Ramaji, you can read the next one.
Yeah, yes. अतः कानिचन वाक्ययुगलानि सन्ति तेषु युगलेषु प्रथमवाक्यं कर्मणि अस्ति
Okay.
प्रथमवाक्यस्य क्रियापदस्थाने शानजन्तं रूपं लिखित्वा तत् कर्मणः विशेषणत्वेन प्रयोक्तव्यम्
First you have to write the shanaj form and then karmani form of the shanaj. as Visheshana to the karma. Okay.
प्रथमवाक्ये यत् कर्म तदेव द्वितीयवाक्ये कर्तृ कर्म करणादिरूपेण दृश्यते.
Okay.
अतः प्रदर्शितोदाहरणानुसारं वाक्यद्वयं योजयित्वा एकं वाक्यं लिखत.
Yes, we'll see the example, you'll understand.
Yeah.
Yes.
उदाहरणं मया विद्यालयः गम्यते. विद्यालये ग्रन्थालयः नास्ति.
Now you have to join this. First one is karmani. So kriya padam will be an adjective to the karma. Second one in the vidyalaya is that now you have to join this. Two sentences you have to join.
Yeah. So maya gamyamane vidyalaye granthalayah nasti.
So granthalayah nasti, that remains as it is. Vidyalaya is in saptami, and here gamyamana vidyalaya is there. That also will undergo change in keeping with the vibhakti of the following the sentence where it is the karma. That is what he says. Without the example, you won't be able to understand. That is why I said you can see the example. Yeah, please continue.
Ramena patah patyate. Pate shlokaha santi. So here pate saptami, so
that's okay. Patyamana. First sentence you can do, and then second sentence you can accordingly can change the vibhakti.
Okay. Patyamanaha pataha. So
Patyamanaha pataha, right? Patyamanaha pataha. Patyamane patau. Sorry, patyamano patau. Patyamanaha pataha. You can decline like that. Saptami will be patyamane pate.
Pate. Yeah. So Ramena patyamane pate shlokaha santi.
Yes.
Anandena katha likhyate. Kathayam hasyarasaha asti. So likhyamana katha.
Yes.
So saptami will be likhyamane. Yeah. Ramayam. So likhyamanayam kathayam.
Yes.
Yeah. Anandena likhyamanayam kathayam hasyarasaha asti.
Okay. Next one. Hindu.
Govindena phalam khadyate. Phale bijani santi. So kadyamanam phalam. Saptami will be kadyamane phale. So Govindena kadyamane phale bijani santi.
Good. Next person. Sumati.
Yeah. Vaidyena petika niyate. Petikayam aushadam asti. So here petikayam. So petika is strilinga. So it's saptami. So it will be Vaidyena niyamanayam petikayam aushadam asti.
Okay.
Next is Ganeshena vastrani kriyante. Vastrani sundarani santi. So the vastrani is nabumsakalinga, and it will be Ganeshena kriyamanani vastrani sundarani santi.
Yes. Vastrani sundarani santi. Vastrani what vibhakti?
Vastrani is 1-3.
1-3. The Prathama vibhakti. So
Prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam. So it will be kriyamanani.
As it is.
Yeah.
Kriyamanani vastrani. Okay.
The next one is bhavata vakyani uchyante. Vakyani aham shrinomi. So vakyani here also it is bahuvachanam 1-3. So it will be bhavata uchyamanani vakyani aham shrinomi.
Yes. Agam shunam. Here uchyamanani vakyani. Vakyani what vibhakti?
This also it is 1-3 Shanji.
Can't be 1-3.
2-3. 2-3. Yeah.
Because agam shrunomi is.
Aham shrinomi is. Yeah.
Previous sentence vastrani 1-3. Here vakyani is 2-3. Ganesh ji, next sentence.
अध्यापकेन पुस्तकानि दीयन्ते पुस्तकानि Bhavan griham nayatu. So diya pustani diyaman.
Diyante is diyate, diyete, diyante. What will happen? Pratipadikam is?
Diyat, diyan.
No. You are doing karmani, okay? Don't forget that.
Right.
If it is not diyan, it is dadatu. In fact, if you are saying it will become dadat only.
So dadat.
No, dadat. We are not doing shatranta. We are doing shanach, okay? Don't forget
Right.
that. Diyante is there. You are converting diyante to, can convert only to shanach.
Shanach.
It can become dadat and all.
Diyamana.
Diyamana. So diyate becomes diyamana. Now it is qualifying pustaka. What the gender is that?
So this is Dvitiya Pustaka Napamsakalinga.
Therefore,
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
how do you decline diyamana? Palam pale palani. Diyamanam diyamane.
Diyamanani.
That's what it is now.
So Diyamanani Pustakani.
Yes. Diyamanani. Adhyapakena diyamanani pustakani.
Pustakani Bhavan griham nayatu.
Here pustakani is
Bahuvachanam.
Dvitiya Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Continue.
Arakshena choraha grihyate. Choraha palayanartham prayatate. So here grihyate choraha. Choraha is
Pullinga. Any doubt in that?
yeah, pullinga. So grihyamanaha choraha आरक्षेण पालायनार्थं पालयति.
पलायनार्थम् आरक्षकेन गृह्यमानः चोरः पलायनार्थं
प्रयतते.
Okay, what is choraha here in the sentence? आरक्षकेन गृह्यमानः चोरः पलायनार्थं प्रयते. Choraha in the sentence?
प्रथम द्वितीय एकवचनम्.
It is karta.
Karta.
It is karta. Okay. Karma is this karta, and the karma, not karta. It is karma. Sorry, I said by mistake karma. It is karta. It is karma. Choraha is karma. Arakshaka is the karta. Okay. Arakshakena choraha griyate. So choraha is karma for the arakshaka. If you convert this into kartari, arakshakaha choram grinnati. Right? Okay. So choraha is karma. So arakshaka is karta. Okay, next sentence.
Swamina karmakari nidyate. Nindyate. Karmakari aswastha asti.
Yes.
So your karmakari nindyate. Nindyate becomes nindya. Karmakari is strilinga, I think. Or therefore nindyamana.
Yes. Swamina.
So nindyamana karmakarti karmakari aswastha asti.
Yes. Nindyamana karmakari aswastha asti. Swamina nindyamana karmakari. Okay. Next person, Krishnanji.
Maya karyam kriyate bhavan karyasya vignam ma karotu. So vignam is dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. So kriyamanam. So maya karyam kriyamanam vignam bhavan ma karotu.
How can it be? Now you just try to understand the sentence. What you do this now? Maya karyam kriyate. Agam karyam karomi. Don't obstruct the karya.
Obstruct the karya.
Karyasya what vibhakti?
Shashti ekavachanam.
Therefore, what will happen?
Oh, okay. Kriyamanasya.
Maya kriyamanasya karyasya vignam
bhavan
ma
vignam.
karotu bhavan. That's how it should be, right? Otherwise, how are you
Yeah,
going to connect this?
Yeah, I took the karma. Okay.
Karyasya vignam ma karotu. Karyasya vignam ma karotu, sir. And karya is done by me.
Me. Yeah.
So maya kriyamanasya karyasya,
Bhavan.
actually, right?
Yeah.
Continue.
मया वार्ता श्रूयते वार्तायां विशेषः कोऽपि नास्ति. So वार्तायाम is सप्तमी एकवचनम. So मया वार्ता श्रूयमानायां वार्तायां विशेषः कोऽपि नास्ति.
Yes. Shruyamanayam vartayam kopi visheshaha nasti.
नास्ति.
Okay.
रमया श्लोकः स्मर्यते. श्लोकम् अहम् अपि जानामि. Okay. So श्लोकं द्वितीया विभक्ति. So रमया श्लोकः स्मर्यमानं श्लोकं रमया अहमपि जानामि.
Ramaya smaryamanam shlokam ahamapi janami. Right? Okay. It's simple. All these sentences are simple. Next person, Krishna, Rameshwari.
Yeah, it's me. Krishnena Geetam Giyate Geetam Bhavati Janati Va. Krishnena Geetam. So it's Prathama Bhakti. Giyamanam Geetam.
Yes.
Gai Dhatu. So Krishnena
Geetam is not Prathama Vibhakti.
Okay.
Okay.
Dvitiya.
Bhavati janati va is that you see the second sentence. Bhavati janati. You know. What do you know? Bhavati Geetam
No, that
janati.
song.
That Geetam is what now?
Oh, okay. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Yeah.
Napumsakalinga, you don't see that. Very form is same. So it's not Prathama Vibhakti. If it can be, if Prathama Vibhakti means you take it as karta. It can't be karta. Why? Because in the first sentence, Krishnena Geetam Giyate. That itself shows Geetam is what? Karma. Karmani prayoga, karma.
Yeah,
Second sentence, same karma is used. So Geetam remains to be karma only. It can't become karta. It can't be Prathama Vibhakti. Understand?
Yeah. So Krishnena Giyamanam Geetam Janati Va.
Bhavati janati va. Okay.
Next, Sishuna Chiram Piyate Chiram Maduram Asti. Sishuna.
Now, Kshiram, what is that Kshiram in this sentence?
Sishuna. I think Prathama Bhakti. I'm not sure.
Kshiram is what?
Kshiram is sweet. Milk is sweet.
Kshiram is the karma. Shishuna Kshiram Yati. It is karma. Okay. The second sentence, that Kshiram is Brahmasti. That it is Prathama Bhakti. But Kshiram as a whole, take the sentence as a whole, it is going to be karma only.
Okay.
Okay. But it is Karmani Prayaga, therefore it will be in Prathama Bhakti. Okay.
So, Sishuna Piyamanam Kshiram Maduram Asti.
Yes.
Next,
in the sentence, Shishuna Piyamanam Kshiram Maduram Asti. Which is karta, which is karma here?
Shishuna is karta. That is Shishu is karta.
Kshiram is karma. Kshiram is
karma.
Yes.
One will be Kshiram. Second sentence. That is which we are making. In the Kshiram is Apihitam.
Okay.
Next, Balikaya Udyanam Drishyate Udyane Sundarani Pushpani Santi. Balikaya, it is Udyane Saptami. So, Drishyamane. So, Balikaya Drishyamane Udyane Sundarani pushpani santi.
Yes. Then the next last part is that I think we will do that in the next class. Please revise what we have seen, Kshatriya Shanaj. For the last, I don't know, 15, 20 classes we are spending only on Kshatriya and Shanaj. The whole book almost we have done. This is the last exercise, I think, in the book. This and also the sentence which I sent through WhatsApp before, the 2 classes before. This sentence also you can do the translation. Have you done the translation of these sentences? We tried. There's 25 sentences are there.
Yes, Ji.
And you can convert this into Karmani also. Please do the Shanaj form also. You can convert this into Shanaj. Shanaj or without Shanaj as Karmani also you can try. We will do that in the class. Next class we will do. You will see all the sentences, the translation, and then they will convert this into Karmani. Okay. You have any doubts? Yes or no?
No, Ji.
Can you all follow or it's difficult?
So far, okay, able to follow.
Sharanji, a small doubt, Sharanji.
Need to do some homework. Yes, homework has to be done. There's no doubt about it. Yes, please ask.
Yeah, in Karmani Prayoga, your the subject will always be in Tritiya and karma will always be in Prathama, right?
Yes.
Always.
Always.
So here, in some sentences, we could see like Vastrani, Sundrani is okay, but sixth sentence.
Vastrani, Sundarani, Santi, that is a separate sentence. Okay.
Oh,
But
that way you are saying.
In relating to the first sentence, it is karma only.
Okay, I got
The
it.
dress worn by whom is beautiful when you say in connection to the first sentence, it is karma.
Karma, okay.
That is why you are changing that the vibhakti of the karma in the first sentence in keeping with the vibhakti of the following.
Okay, Sharanji. That's only which I had.
Yes.
Thank you.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyavad, Sharanji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.